Managing your blood sugar during lunch is easier than you think when you follow a simple, science-backed nutritional formula. The secret to a stable afternoon is balancing your plate with three core components: fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats. Start by building a vibrant base with non-starchy vegetables like fresh spinach, crunchy kale, or colorful bell peppers. These greens provide essential volume and nutrients, allowing you to enjoy a satisfying meal without causing rapid glucose spikes. Next, add a high-quality protein source like grilled chicken, firm tofu, or chickpeas to provide the energy you need. Protein is vital because it helps regulate your metabolism and keeps your hunger levels steady throughout the entire afternoon. Don't forget to incorporate healthy fats, such as sliced avocado or a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. These fats are crucial because they naturally slow down your digestion, ensuring a gradual and sustained release of energy. If you prefer a warm meal, a hearty lentil soup is an excellent choice, offering a perfect blend of plant-based protein and fiber. Be mindful to swap out refined grains like white bread or pasta for fiber-rich whole grains like quinoa or nutty farro. Remember that portion control remains a fundamental tool, so take your time to listen to your body while you eat. By keeping these simple principles in mind, you can create delicious, balanced lunches that support your health every single day.